positively, living positive, living positively, living
Sanibonani, siyanamkela kuSayinqoba Bidit. Uhlelo lawo wonke umuntu ohlangabezana nonqoba izinselelo zesandulela ngculaza. Samukela ithimba elisekelayo. Hi guys.
Hello.
Kuyasithokozisa namhlanje ukuthi sihanjele kuMnumzane Mark Haywood, ongusekela sihlalo womkhandlu kwazi lonke obhekele isifo sengculaza phecelezi iSENEC. Hi Mark. Namhlanje sikhuluma ngohlelo lamasu lukazwe lonke lesandulela ngculaza nengculaza.
National Strategic Plan, HIV and AIDS National Strategic Plan. I've
heard about it, but don't ask me about it because that I can't tell you.
National Strategic Plan. Namhlanje singona sisibusisiwe emaqungu apha eRondebosch esenza itraining nabantwana besikolo ngeNSP masangensovini.
Sizotraina abantwana kuzokulothodobela namhlanje besitraina abantwana to become bazoba peer educators ezikolweni zabo. These are the kids from different schools, abanye kwaMamfuleni, abanye kwaMaharmanas njalo. The information abayifumene apha nabo bayidlulise ngohlobo senza ngalo nathi as clinics. Khona umntana nalo FIFA naloba yintoni NSP. Xa setha nge-NSP ke bentwana setha nge-National Strategic Plan. Ithe isawube iboniwe into yoba le HIV ingathi ingxaki kanti sithe you identify the problem. Ingxaki lento yale HIV apha eSouth Africa, we needed to come up with a plan, with a national strategic plan yoba how do we handle lento yale HIV, because ngoku it's out of iyaphuma ngoku asikwazi ukuyicontrola. Sithe natsika ke i-strategic plan sethu sesika 2007 and 2011. Naso iplan yabo abelekileyo babo within these 5 years these are the things esifuna ukuba sibe sizi-achievile kule 5 years. Sizawuzijonga ke sizawuzimonitorisha apha ekuhambeni kwendlela sibone into yoba ingaba iyenzeka naloo nto leyo. Sine PMTCT. That is njengoba lo mama lona HIV positive asifuni into yoba makathini makaphinde azale umntana o-HIV positive ngoba lo siyayazi into yoba ikhona into esiyibiza ngoba yintoni i-MTCT apho umama athini athi osulele khona umntana nge-HIV sibiza ngoba yi-MTCT, mother to child transmission. Umama uthini udlulisela i-HIV to emntaneni, but we want to prevent that. So ke kuthiwa funeka siyenze ke ngantoni loo nto leyo sithi sifika phaa ku-2011 at least about 95% yomama abaya ezikliniki bekhulelwe kwi-antenatal clinics bathini babe bayatesta for i-HIV. Siphinde kwakhona sibe ne-VCT uptake. Nayo i-VCT uptake kuthiwa kufuneka at least ibe ngu-95%. Hey, azibandibiza amanana right na apha.
Can you take us through the goals of the NSP?
Okay, well, first of all, the NSP is a 5-year plan. It's from 2007 to 2011. And it has 2 major objectives. One objective is to get treatment for people who have HIV and AIDS. And the other objective is to try to cut massively the number of new HIV infections. Now, when it talks about treatment, the NSP says that by 2011, 80% of people who know their HIV status should be able to access treatment. But, you know, the NSP, it looks frightening and big and, and so on. But really it's quite simple. You know, people can't get treatment if they don't know their status. So the NSP says, I forget the exact figure, but it says that we want to get to a point where everybody in South Africa has tested for HIV. Everybody knows positive or negative. We want to get to a point where it becomes routine that if you get pregnant, you're offered a test for HIV as a woman. So they're quite simple things, really, but they're simple things that if we plan around them, we would be able to make a difference with the epidemic.
INingizimu Afrika izibekele imigomo esezingeni eliphezulu ngendlela emangalisayo kulolu hlelo lwamasu kazwelonke. Ukuba nemigomo kusinikeza into esikumele sisebenze phezu kwayo. Ngakho ke sonke sineqhaza okumele silibambe. Uma sigqoke lamabhengele sibonisa ukuthi sizigcina siphephile futhi silawula izimpilo zethu. Khumbula, zivikele, uvikele nabanye. Protect yourself, protect others. Bye bye.